Welcome to today's video. If you're thinking about updating your garden and love clean lines and a modern feel, this is for you. Modern garden layouts are not only beautiful, they're also practical and easy to maintain. In this video, we'll walk through simple and stylish garden layout ideas you can try at home, no matter the size of your outdoor space. Geometric paver pathways. Use square or rectangular pavers in straight lines or grid patterns for a clean, modern walkway. Raised beds with sleek edging. Create raised garden beds using metal or painted wood frames for a neat, organized look. Gravel and stone courtyard. Combine pea gravel with stepping stones to design a peaceful sitting area that's easy to maintain. Symmetrical planting beds. Arrange plants in mirrored sections or equal patterns for a balanced modern look. Minimalist grass borders. Leave wide open spaces of grass with sharp-edged flower beds for a simple contrast. Boxwood hedge lines. Use low boxwood hedges or shrubs to divide spaces or create modern garden rooms. Wood deck with planter boxes. Add a simple wooden platform with built-in planters for seating and greenery in one place. Black mulch with green foliage. Use black mulch to make your greenery pop, giving a modern and elegant appearance. Concrete slab walkways. Large concrete slabs with clean spacing can form pathways or patios with a modern feel. Slim vertical gardens. Use narrow wall planters or vertical structures to grow herbs or flowers in small spaces. Square garden zones. Divide your space into square or rectangular sections for herbs, flowers, or gravel. Monochrome plant color palette. Stick to greens and whites or one color family for a sleek, cohesive look. Bench with built-in lighting. Add subtle lighting under benches or along paths for a cozy but modern evening glow. Linear water features. Simple water channels or narrow fountains add calm without cluttering the space. Modern pergola with clean lines. Choose a pergola with a square or rectangular frame and neutral tones to define a seating area. Thanks for watching. We hope these simple modern garden layout ideas gave you the inspiration you were looking for. Remember, modern gardens don't have to be expensive or complicated. Just a few clean lines, thoughtful placement, and simple materials can make a big difference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more outdoor decor ideas designed with ease and beauty in mind.